Hello, little ones. Settle down softly. Let's go to a cozy home in India tonight. It is raining outside. Pitter patter, goes the rain on the roof. The world outside is dark and wet, but inside it is warm and bright. In this cozy home lives a boy named Raju. Raju is 6 years old, and he has a big heart. He has a little sister too. Her name is Priya, and she is 5. Priya loves to giggle. They have friends who live with them, a friendly dog named Rio with wagging tail, and a smart green parrot named Mitthu, who loves to talk and listen. Raju and Priya's papa, Mohan, and Amma, Rajni, are there too, watching over their happy little family. Tonight, the rain is coming down strong. Boom. A soft thunder rumbled far away. Raju and Priya were sitting near the window, looking at the raindrops sliding down the glass. Rio was curled up on his soft mat, his ears twitching at the sounds. Mitthu was perched on his stand, tucked under his wing a little. "Listen to the rain, Amma," said Raju. "It sounds like tiny dancing feet." Amma smiled. "It does, my love. The earth is drinking happily." Suddenly, Rio lifted his head. His tail stopped wagging. He made a soft sound, a little whimper. "What is it, Rio?" asked Priya in her gentle voice. Rio walked slowly to the door, nose sniffing. He looked at Papa with big, worried eyes. Papa Mohan walked to the door and opened it just a little crack. The sound of the rain grew louder for a moment. Papa looked out into the dark, wet night. He saw something small and brown huddled near their gate. It was shivering. "Oh," said Papa softly, "it looks like a little puppy, lost and cold in the rain." Raju and Priya rushed to the door, peeking around Papa's legs. They saw the wet, sad puppy. It looked so lonely. "Papa, can we help?" asked Raju right away. "Please, Papa." "It's so cold," said Priya, her eyes wide with worry for the puppy. Amma came to the door too. She saw the puppy, and her heart felt a little sad. "Poor little thing," she said gently. "It needs warmth and a dry place." Papa looked at Amma, then at Raju and Priya's hopeful faces. He knew they had kind hearts. "Yes," he said, "we can help. It is important to help others when they need us, especially on a cold, rainy night." Papa carefully opened the door wider. Rio gave a soft, welcoming bark. The little puppy looked scared, but Rio's friendly sound seemed to help. Papa went out just a step and gently scooped up the shivering puppy. He brought it inside, into the warm, dry home. The little puppy was wet and muddy. It shivered and looked around with scared eyes. Raju and Priya stayed back a little, not wanting to frighten it. Rio came closer slowly, wagging his tail softly. showing he was a friend. Mitthu watched from his stand, tilting his head. "Sweet puppy," Mitthu chirped softly. Amma quickly brought a soft towel. Papa gently dried the puppy. Raju and Priya watched, feeling warm inside to see the puppy getting dry. "Can we give it some warm milk, Amma?" asked Raju. "Yes, my dear," said Amma. She warmed the little milk and put it in a small bowl. Papa put the bowl on the floor. The little puppy sniffed, then began to drink the milk slowly. It must have been very hungry. While the puppy drank, Raju found a soft old blanket. He spread it out carefully in a corner. Priya found a small squeaky toy. When the puppy finished the milk, it looked less scared. It looked at Raju, then at Priya, then at Rio. It wagged its tiny tail just a little bit. "See?" said Amma, smiling. "Helping others makes them feel safe and happy." Raju and Priya felt happy inside too. A warm, bubbly feeling, like the warm milk for the puppy. The little puppy, feeling safe and warm, curled up on the soft blanket Raju had put down. Rio lay down nearby, keeping a gentle watch. Mitthu ruffled his feathers and settled down too. It was getting late now. The rain was still falling, but the thunder had stopped. "Time for bed, little ones," said Papa softly. Raju and Priya yawned. They changed into their pajamas. They brushed their teeth. They went to their beds. Rio came to his mat near Raju's bed. The little puppy was already fast asleep on its blanket, dreaming sweet dreams. Mitthu settled in his cage, his eyes getting sleepy. Papa tucked Raju in. Amma tucked Priya in. They gave them soft kisses on their foreheads. "Thank you for helping the puppy," said Papa. "You have very kind hearts." "Helping others is a wonderful thing to do," said Amma. "It makes the world a little brighter." Raju and Priya felt warm and loved and sleepy. They lay in their beds, listening to the pitter-patter of the rain. Rio was breathing softly on his mat. The little puppy was making tiny, sleepy sounds. Mitthu was quiet in his cage. Raju closed his eyes. He felt warm and safe. He thought of the little puppy, safe and warm too because they helped. Priya snuggled under her blanket. She listened to the rain and Rio's soft snores. She felt happy and sleepy. The rain kept its gentle song outside. Inside the house was quiet and peaceful. Raju was sleeping. Priya was sleeping. Rio was sleeping. And the little puppy was sleeping too, safe and warm, dreaming of kind hands and soft blankets. Even Mitthu was sleeping, dreaming green dreams. Sleep now, little ones. Sleepy time.